Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand has reaffirmed that communal harmony is the prerequisite factor to establish a developed and peaceful state, and also in realizing the idea of Manipur. Chief Minister Khemchand said this while attending the commemoration of Kangla attack, Anglo-Manipur War 1891 at Paidabung of Mapal Kangjaypung today. During the observance, which was organized by Justice Committee on Anglo-Manipur War 1891, martyrs and freedom fighters of Kangleipak, Manipur attendees paid floral tribute to martyrs of Anglo-Manipur War 1891. Speaking further in the program, Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand said 36 communities in Manipur have been protecting the territorial integrity of Manipur. He asserted that those who stood for idea of Manipur are all Manipuri, while emphasizing on the need for unity and communal harmony to take the state forward.
Community kuntra tarusina Manipur se na aga lakhi bagi itihas ki puari takak kya de yawi baiti bangan hai Manipuri Muslim haidar batai bagi nagani sinau singakti bado Manipuri nagani sini kuki sinau singdu Manipuri kuki ni maite kuisu Manipuri maite ni aduna idea of Manipur sagat pada punna kunda binariba community singsi chanana nusinana amata wibagi wakal leibata aragadi Manipur si aduki mati ingba amadi development leibata state ama wigani haina thamjaraganda apun pada pangani namak apun bagi wakal khaminasi haina hajaraganda itendari.
On the other hand, Chairman of Justice Committee on Anglo-Manipur War 1891 Martyrs and Freedom Fighters of Kangleipak, Manipur, Joy Chandra Konthojam, highlighted the historical detail of Kangla attack by British. While expressing concern on the present state of Manipur, Joy Kumar reiterated on the need for all communities to come together to build a strong Manipur.
Matam amada adugumlaba British ki mapangan kalli haibdo aikoina maithi uti numit adubuni aikoina si palan tawjiri se hairiba thorum asida aikoina miyam da hairing go wafumdi matam aduda adu mapangan kalamba Kangleipak Manipur na ngasi tamna mapangan sonthare ibse kari maram gino haibse aikoi lebang mayam na nei phun fe adu iba taragati aikoina matam karamna aikoi kangkhat kan gati hairagati iramdam asir leiriba akoi community sing ase amato oina punjilaga iramdam asibu mapang kan na bo phonaba tangai phide haiba wafum do ngasi miyam da thamjage